You know folks, when it comes to the machines that make our world go round, it's the little things that matter most. We talk about horsepower and torque, but what about the nuts and bolts, the gears and bearings that make it all work? That's where AGS-TECH Inc. comes in. They're in the business of crafting the unsung heroes of the machine world, the machine elements that keep industries humming. You can check them out at www.agstech.net, but be warned, you might get lost in the world of gears and grease. These aren't your grandpa's nuts and bolts either. AGS-TECH Inc. is all about precision and quality, using the latest technology to create machine elements that can handle the toughest jobs. We're talking about gears that transmit power, couplings that connect shafts, bearings that reduce friction, all made with the kind of craftsmanship that would make a machinist proud. It's a dirty job, no doubt, but someone's got to do it. And the folks at AGS-TECH Inc. are doing it with pride, making sure the machines we rely on every day keep on running smoothly. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of what AGS-TECH Inc. actually makes. We're talking about a whole slew of machine elements, each with its own special job gears, couplings, bearings. These are just the tip of the iceberg. They've got keys and splines to hold things together, machine pins for precise alignment, and cams and followers for controlling motion. Then there are linkages for transmitting force, shafts for rotating power, and fasteners to hold everything securely in place. And let's not forget cable drives, belts, brake assemblies, and clutches, all essential components in countless machines. It's enough to make your head spin, but these are the guts of the machines that power our world. Without them, everything from cars to construction equipment simply wouldn't work. So how do they do it at AGS-TECH Inc.? It's a combination of cutting-edge technology and good old-fashioned craftsmanship. They use state-of-the-art CNC machines for precision cutting and shaping, along with heat treatment processes to ensure strength and durability. But it's not just about the machines. The folks at AGS-TECH Inc. take pride in their work, carefully inspecting each and every component to ensure it meets their high standards. They know that even the smallest flaw can have big consequences, so they don't cut corners. Whether it's a gear drive for a wind turbine or an industrial conveyor belt moving packages across a warehouse, AGS-TECH Inc.'s machine elements are hard at work. They understand that their products are the backbone of countless industries, and they're committed to delivering the quality and reliability that their customers demand. So, next time you see a machine doing its thing, take a moment to appreciate the unsung heroes inside, the gears, bearings, and countless other machine elements that make it all possible. And remember the folks at AGS-TECH Inc. crafting precision, one machine element at a time. You can find them at www.agstech.net. They're the ones getting their hands dirty so the rest of us don't have to.